you an overload. Get the family out on the road. Bring mom and dad and your sister too. We got something for you to do. Just don't let grandma forget her dentures. Visit first class of the adventures. People to meet and food to eat, and friendly people that actually greet. You know, you don't have to be on a diet, but you'll get a whole lot of peace and quiet. Come on, your dog is looking like he needs a bone, thinking about running away from home. Look out the window, saw the wheels are turning. First class RV adventures learning. We'll teach you where to go to have some fun, and how to put a hot dog in a bun. How's that? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, first class RV adventures.
So that is the sign to the campground. Oh man, guys. Don't ever listen to Siri in the woods.
Yeah.
Good God.
Siri? In the woods?
Getting fired.
Not good. This is the road. Still driving down this orange road. I feel like I'm the Wizard of Oz. Don't you? Follow the orange path.
I don't know, but most people with a nice rig wouldn't be driving down this kind of road.
We are first class RV adventurers, living out our name to the max. Right, Lexi? Doesn't she look like an adventure dog?
Yeah, it's a pretty clean adventure dog.
She is the ultimate adventure dog. Okay. Right, Lexi?
Hey, you heard it here first. Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission.
That's Corbana Point.
Yo, look at those things, man.
I know, get us over there. I'm gonna go park.
Moly.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour. That is the entrance. I tried to start back there, but the horse flies there are nuts. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour. Let's check it out. So you come in right over here. It's almost 5 miles to get here from the main road. And then there's spots. Those two back there are both walk-in spots, and if you do that, so you can't make a reservation for those two, and I believe those are number 9 and number 10. And then here's the other spots, and they all have their own little fire ring, their own table, and their own trash can. Here's First Class RV Adventures, and of course Papa Lou's getting his kayak ready over there. They also have these porta potties right over here. There's 2 of them, and another trash can. And then right over here is their information, their website, phone number, so you can check that out. And I personally could not make my reservation on the website. It was just showing everything booked. So I called them, and as you can see, it is empty here. So it was just like a fluke with the website. So keep that in mind. And here's the campground map real quick so you could see that. Sorry, there are flies hanging on me. Oh my God. Okay, so if you come to one of the walk-in spots, you have this little registration card that you would fill out and put it over there. And there are 2 campsites, Bayside and Bayou, but the Bayou is strictly for tents, no RVs. This side is for RVs. And then there's a few sites on this side of the road which don't have water behind them. It's strictly just the woods. There's actually a trail back there. And then you can kind of get a glimpse at the other sites over here. And then they also have a group campsite, which is this way. You could reserve that as well. And we did have one set of neighbors, but they were tent campers. Oh my gosh, these bugs. They were tent campers and they actually just left. They were over here. But back over there, there's the water. Lewis has done fishing. So Lewis has done some fishing. He's loved it. And over there, they have actually a grill. That's for day use. So if you're not going to camp here, you could come and use this. There's a trail back over there. There is grills, there's tables, trash cans, parking. That's actually all parking spots. Oh my God, that's actually all parking spots over there. So you can also go there. So we've had an incredible time. We actually are in a 44-foot fifth wheel, and we were able to fit it into spot number 4. So for those of you that come back here with big rigs, that way you know. And it was not a problem. It looked like they had just done the road that you drive to come here, and it was not a problem at all. It was actually a little rainy and everything, and we had no issues with like getting stuck or anything. So keep that in mind, and just take a look here at the water. It's beautiful. First class RV adventures. We have the Hobie and the Wilderness, and here we are. Daddy's catching some crabs, and the kiddos are swimming. Whoa, your foot! Oh my God! Let me see what happened to your foot. Whoa! So pretty out here. What a view it is back here. Yesterday we got in right at the sunset. It was a little past this time, but it's our second sunset here. We were gonna do one night, but we decided, let's enjoy 2 nights. It's so crazy because the RV is literally right there. It is amazing. It is just so pretty. Look at this. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you to all of those that have already subscribed. And for the new people subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell, and we'll see you on the next adventure. The sun is going down. Man, that's gorgeous. Looks fake. Wow. And Lewis is out there in the kayak.
Yeah. Yeah, first class RV adventures. First class RV adventures. You gotta go one day soon and visit first class RV adventures.